The sequence 1111 resonates with many as a spiritual signal, deeply embedded in our collective consciousness as a reminder of the deeper truths of existence. Often encountered in mundane settings, the appearance of this sequence is frequently seen as a nudge from the universe, urging individuals to awaken, connect, and reflect. Wherever you see it, on the clock, in a phone number, or even in random sequences, it's a synchronous moment that beckons an inner awakening. At its heart, 1111 symbolizes alignment and unity with the cosmos. The number 1 is inherently powerful, representing new beginnings, individuality, and intuition. When mirrored, this becomes a passageway, a thin veil between planes of reality, providing a bridge to spiritual insight. Those who recognize the significance of this moment often refer to it as a divine sign, a call to embrace one's path and purpose in life, suggesting that we are not alone in our journeys. The frequent encounter with 1111 is often interpreted as a sign of spiritual awakening, suggesting that your consciousness is expanding. This number sequence serves as a reminder that you are in tune with your soul's purpose, igniting curiosity and encouraging you to explore deeper realms of existence. It also speaks to the notion of divine guidance, angels and spirit guides reaching out to assure you of their presence and support, illuminating your path, especially in times of transition or uncertainty. Harnessing the energy of 1111 requires a mindful approach to thought and intention. When you observe this sequence, take a moment to reflect. Are your thoughts in harmony with your aspirations? It is a call to realign with your higher self, urging you to focus on positivity and growth. Taking this a step further, you can utilize this energy for manifestation. As this powerful portal opens, set clear intentions for what you wish to attract in life. Your desires become amplified at this sacred hour. Gratitude serves as another vital tool in channeling the essence of 1111. When you see these numbers, acknowledge the blessings present in your life, recognizing the guidance that flows to you. Incorporating practices like meditation or journaling around this time can yield profound insights. Ask for clarity and remain open to receive messages that can illuminate your path. Embrace this powerful moment and let 1111 weave its magic into your spiritual journey.